everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mathmatha. We make mathematics simple, clear, and interesting. Imagine a straight line stretching infinitely in both directions, and every single point on this line represents a number. We begin with the counting numbers, then we include 0, also the negative numbers, then fractions. But was that enough? Today we will see how all of this come together in one complete system called the real numbers. So what exactly are real numbers? In simple words, real numbers include all the numbers that can be found on the number line. Yes, every point on this line represents a real number. Let's break this down step by step. First, we have the natural numbers. Natural numbers are also called as the counting numbers, represented by the letter n. It starts from 1, 2, 3, and so on. Next up, we have the whole numbers. Whole numbers are represented by the letter W. These include 0 along with the natural numbers. Moving on to the integers. Integers are represented by the letter Z, and these include the negative numbers, 0, as well as the positive numbers. Next up, we have the rational numbers. Rational numbers. These are denoted by the letter Q, and these are the numbers that can be represented in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers, belongs to integers, and Q is not equal to 0. For example, 1 by 2, minus 3 by 4, and yes, even 5 is a rational number as it can be written as 5 by 1. Next up, we have the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are denoted as Q dash or Q complement. The numbers that cannot be written in the form of P by Q are said to be irrational numbers. That is, the numbers other than the rational numbers are said to be irrational numbers. For example, root 2, root 3, root 5, and so on. And yes, even pi is an irrational number. When we combine the rational numbers and the irrational numbers, we arrive at the most wanted real numbers. Real numbers are represented by the letter R. Real numbers are nothing but the collection of rational and irrational numbers together. Now we'll see a picture of the real number system. First up, we have the natural numbers. Next, all these natural numbers are present in the whole numbers. All these come under the integers. Then these integers come under the rational numbers. And we have a separate cloud for the irrational numbers. The collection of the rational and the irrational numbers are said to be the real numbers. This come under the real number system. Hope you understood. This was the introduction to real numbers. In the next video, we will be learning about prime factorization and see how numbers can be broken into their simplest form. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Keep learning.